Hey fam, welcome once more to another making recipes, but actually today this is a familiar one that we are perfecting. Not really perfecting, it's not hard.
We're using a different method.
We're just doing something different to show you. So the whole meat of this one is, how do you know when your mince is clean? How do you know? I did a video like that for Patreon, but we're doing this using a different machine. We use a different machine to do this one on one of my Patreon videos. But today, Miss Kimmy decided that she would want to eat a burger meal on her mukbang. So we are going to be making some mince meat. We're going to be doing our mince meat at home. And I guess some people are familiar because some people have one of these. Some is KitchenAid, but some of them, these mixers nowadays that are not KitchenAid, they still come with this
three-in-one.
Yeah. So also the food processor is one, but I use the food processor method for my Patreon video. Hence now Kimmy is using this to show you. I think I've seen maybe not a lot, just a few people wash mince meat. Do you wash your mince meat already, minced, Kimmy?
No, I'm not thinking you can wash it.
I am asking you all. Do you wash your mince meat when you buy it at the grocery? Okay, how do you do it? I don't think. It doesn't, it have to be meat, beef. Any meat can be minced because we did a shrimp burger and we had to mince the shrimp. So, my question is, do you wash your mince after you buy it? How do you sure that you are getting clean mince? I think how you're sure is to do it at home. What do you think?
Yeah, that's the best way.
So, okay. Now, Kimmy is going to be showing you how she is going to get her meat mix with this additional part to her mixer. The way to go about getting mince meat at home. A part of it is the same. I did mine a little different. I used my food processor and I did mine. But you can share with us in the comment section. Maybe there are other machines that they use to grind. But the whole thing is, should you wash your meat after mincing? I don't think so.
So as you guys can see, the meat washed clean.
Show them that you cut it up in pieces, the pieces that you cut it up in. And also, we are opting for 80-20. If you're opting for like 100% pure ground meat, you would move these little white parts. Show them the little white parts. That you don't have any form of grease in your meat. Oh, yeah, show them the part, yeah. So we are cut. We need a little grease. We are making burger. So we are not removing that. So when it is minced, you will see a little bit of those white parts in there. That's, keeps the meat moist. The mince moist. So Kimmy is going to tell you what she will do next.
Guys, as Miss Debbie said, she's doing it different from me. I am going to season my meat here with olive oil. So I'm going to use the powder season first.
Yeah, because of course for me, burger must be, my burger, anything with mince have to be well seasoned.
That's where a lot of people go wrong.
Yeah, don't season them meat, the burger. A very under seasoned burger, to me, I don't enjoy it. But I'm not going to overseason. But I think some of these, I didn't buy these. My friend gave me this, must be all outdated a long time ago, but I use it. When I use the thing. But we're not using like other. So you tell them what you're using. Show them and tell them. What was this? It was red bell pepper. Red pepper flakes for eat.
Alright. You tell them. And
She just used some cumin. Now that is
cayenne.
No, do look a bit like cayenne, not enough. I put the red pepper flakes already. But it does have a little flavor. Yeah. I like a well-seasoned burger. What about you? You can comment. I think that's good. And we are using 2 pounds of beef right here. And it is boneless beef, of course. Using a little of this Old Bay. I don't even know what. And if I don't think, I don't remember if I'd read the ingredients of the Old Bay. Yeah. Just a pinch of that. I remember after. Just a small amount. many people have gone to the butchers and watched their butcher mince their meat. When I go to O'Neill always rinse off the meat first. What we did before is we wash it in a little lime water. We never soak it in enough vinegar to make it get tough and barky. I washed it in some green lime juice and just let it drain. I always see my butcher run the frozen meat under the pipe, and then just so what we're gonna do here, you'll see what Kimmy is gonna do.
You guys will see all the seasoning, the dry seasoning and the ground seasoning. Look at that. So I'm going to use a spoon to rub in the seasoning because I really don't want to use my hand right now.
I'm going to use your hand seasonings.
Oh, yeah.
Unless you have the meatloaf. I use my hand. I put it on a gloves because they know you use different seasoning.
Yeah.
But they say that when you use your hand to rub that meat in for the meatloaf, it makes the meatloaf. No. If I make a meatloaf, yeah? I think I have one on the cooking channel.
Yeah, you make it already.
Yeah, I've made it several times before you too. I think that's good, no? You can't take that piece our work table. I know our work table is clean, yeah. We're always wiping our work table. And that's pretty sure them a pretty nice color. Yeah.
Try to use different color.
Different color seasoning. Yeah.
Everything incorporated now,
so what is gonna go ahead, Kimmy. So what is gonna happen now? Kimmy has done that. So remember, did you cut up, show them the pieces that you cut it up into. So you get your boneless beef. If you want to get meat with that thing in marbling in there, because you want to get little moist in your meat, you get it. If you just want to get pure boneless with no marbling, forget this 100% mince, you do that, okay? This is with a little marbling and a little fat to the end. So we are going to get like a 80%, 20%, because burger, it needs moisture. So what she's gonna be doing now, she's gonna put it for flash freeze, like semi-freeze, because putting it in the machine, it needs to be frozen to get it minced. So we'll make it from scratch. We're doing minced meat from scratch because we want to ensure that we are eating clean minced meat. That's what this part of it is all about. So in the next clip, we have it all flash freeze, and then she's gonna show you the process that she's gonna use with her mixer. And also, I guess she's gonna show you how she's gonna make her. She have burger belly today. Next clip.
Now you wanna make the burger.
Okay, we're ready now. So it's all flash freeze, mean frozen part way. So show them the firmness of the meat. Take a piece and show them. Take it up with your hand, yeah. And show them it's your meat. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. So as it goes down the cooking, as it's going down your packing.
Push it down from right so the water.
Yeah, but machine.
Miss Debbie washing the dishes, guys.
Yeah, because we have a real kitchen. We don't have a souvenir kitchen. So we have to clean up. And we don't have a lot of space. we have dirty plates in our sink and we wash them when we can. Inside the soup in their kitchen now, they never have dirty dishes.
Okay. Who in your kitchen never have
They
dirty
never
dishes?
have dirty dishes in there. You go in my kitchen, I always have them and we do it from time to time.
This is not bad. So guys, this is what I got. 2 pounds of beef. You can see the seasoning and everything.
Minced and seasoned.
So I'm gonna pour a little of this.
Shake it up.
This. Oh guys, remember this is not a commercial meat grinder. However, you only can use maybe 2 pounds of beef at a time. So
Or maybe a pound.
or maybe a
You
pound.
don't want to go over that.
Yeah,
Pressure
because
on the motor.
and it'll go mash up.
It's just made for your local domestic use. So
yeah.
you
But you
know,
know sometimes people overuse.
yeah, so you got to take precaution and read the manufacturer's manual. Yeah. Put it more, you think it is salty?
Yeah, you know this salty.
Yeah, okay. And you know, I did have some burnt sugar leaf back. Oh God, that
I
will
use
make it
mine,
so
'cause-
flavorful. Yeah. And I should have put in the egg too. So she just put in 2 beaten eggs and she's putting in a little refined breadcrumbs. You can put a little more. But a little more the breadcrumbs. And then you use your hand. Yeah. And just get it together now. You will see, use your hand and do it like this. Some people say no, they do it like this because they meat tough. That don't make no sense to me. Use your hand and just moisturize it and show them. Use your hand and squeeze it in, and yeah, that cannot make lean stuff. That don't make no sense. To get it all compact and stuff. Whilst I'm over here preheating this cast iron skillet for you, girl.
Alright, Miss Baby, here. My right don't know. You want to take over.
What me I take over do?
So now you want to make that?
So, no man, you do the burger. We're not making all of these in burgers, you know.
I know.
So we are gonna leave some to put in a ziploc. Work it somewhere. Work it somewhere.
Here you go.
Yeah, man, mush it up somewhere. So we are. The thing is, we don't have nothing to make the burger. That's the point.
Them say this make it tough.
That's what they say. I don't find it like that. Everybody to their own order. When
How
I
you
do
make
it
it
like
tough?
that, that's I don't make the mean stuff. But you never not do it the right way. Do it like this.
So?
Yeah, it makes it so moist. It makes the meatloaf
So show them.
so moist and so nice. It makes the meatloaf. That's just what I know. I don't know about. But people can comment. Them can say if them find so when them do their minced beef so with their meatloaf or whatever, it
cold?
makes it tough. It have a cold, of course. Cause remember, say you're using semi-frozen.
We're supposed to put now.
I think so. So we're gonna look something. I usually use my hands. You know?
So you're going to use the hand and make this.
Yeah, I use my hand and make them.
Alright guys, so my work here is finished.
So may I eat that pan. Guys, remember that our space is very limited. So it all look a little clustered for now. You know, because the space really limited. So, you see it? So, you want a double burger, you know.
Yeah, make double whopper.
You see it? You see how nice it is? I always do it like this. But comment and tell me how you make yours. If you have something that can shape it, make it look more uniform, fine. But something like this, may I go for. So you see all them seasoning in there, you see everything. Yeah. And the people, my patrons, they did enjoy the video. But I did. I used the food processor to make that one. So I'm gonna make how much you want, Kimmy? You want triple burger? I'm gonna make a few more like these, and I'll catch you in the next clip. So you see, I have 4. I have my skillet over here, so that I was preheating, and I'm gonna put it in there. Use my hand to flatten it a bit. When you use your hand to mush the beef together, it gets a real smooth, delicate. You see them? All them all? Yeah, man, I know. So we're gonna let them cook on one side and turn them to the other side. But knowing me I go cover my own them. You can't comment and tell me. Because when it covered, guys, it's like it's cooking, it's steaming. The steam will help it to cook properly. I not eat burger when you open it, it will look pink and sitting in a
I know that you always
yeah, I'm not do that. I'm not do that. Next
open.
clip. Yeah. So I'm doing this. They have some blade down in there, so.
Yeah. No.
Way down there, so.
No, the blade come off.
Okay.
You can't lift out. You can't take it off.
So you know, so this girl, I use our brush. You understand, baby? To wash the little parts here. In a sato, you see it?
Yeah,
yeah.
Like wash it properly.
Yeah, so you know, so we're just done. Do that thing there and get the mince. So the kitchen dirty plate I go down in the sink. You understand? So yeah. Now I call this film, not even remember so me have this. You see? Our burger buns. Our burger meat, yeah. You let them stay there and continue cooking. So in the next clip now,
I make it well done.
Yeah, we want it well done. So the heat is really low. We will be, Kimmy, you're doing that. You are going to make like a sauce to put on the bun. We have lettuce and we have tomato. You're going to take cheese. I don't want cheese. Alright? Easy. So the rest that we had, it's all seasoned and everything already. We, I've left it, we can do something else. Outside of the you know, say if you make spaghetti, you're not going to want the egg and the breadcrumbs in it. So what you could have done was to like divide it in 2, use half with the breadcrumbs and the eggs, and the other half all seasoned. You just freeze it for like a spaghetti and meat sauce. I don't know what else you want to do. A meatloaf, that could make a small meatloaf that we have left there, because you'd have put eggs and you'd put breadcrumbs in there to make it come together, to make it compact for the meatloaf, a mini meatloaf. Or this could give you a reasonable size meatloaf, 2 pounds. Yeah. So it's all easy, and you are quite okay. You're feeling good now that the burger that you're eating, the mince is clean because you have washed it on your own. You know, maybe some people don't care, but I really like to know that I'm eating it this way. And I hope that somebody did learn a thing or two. If you have your mixer like that, some of them are KitchenAid, you know, KitchenAid is more powerful. And if you have a grinder, some of them have meat grinder. Also, I told you I did a video for my patrons. I use the food processor, I seasoned it, everything in there, just the same. But that video is on Patreon, so if you would like to go check out Patreon, see that video. You saw what Kimmy did, make your choice. So we're gonna go now in the next clip. Go just put together some vegetable and stuff for our burger, and of course after that, that will be the end of this video, because we're going on the Jamaican mukbang and vlog to eat and talk.
So guys, we are making a sauce to put on the burger bun. We use ketchup, mayonnaise, a bit of mustard, we Maybe you pick up here. Yeah, look at that. It's tiny pepper.
Why not so small? One without cheese, and that's for me, and that's the Lord.
Let me begin on Miss Debbie.
May I tell you, I put them together.
Yeah, put them together, guys. So
Putting burgers together. So this is what it looks like after the cheese has been melted. None of the cheese, somebody. You know what happens, so I try to discipline myself and not to eat it. Not to eat it.
which is the right.
And of course I didn't do onions. I prefer the caramelized onions, but I never bother. Caramelized onion than this would be nice. You like it or you just like the regular onion?
I like onion like that, so that really much.
Okay. I like onions, caramelized onions. Then I should have put the lettuce.
So, yeah, normally put the
lettuce
the meat
on the top.
first.
I mean, I always put, I don't know.
Oh, yeah,
I
so
always
put
put the
the
lettuce,
first.
but yeah. Kind of fold it like all the lettuce. Right. And then you put the tomato and drizzle the tomato sauce. Sauce, just a little bit, a little sauce. Yeah. Just a little bit, and then the onion then will be perfect right here. Some crispy bacon, but we ain't got that.
So we are working over.
Yeah, we are working over it. And bear in mind, we can make our own buns, so you just show them one. Yeah. That's the Lord. Yeah. From scratch our own, you know, your own made mince, and you're sure. So your mince, as opposed to asking, was the mince washed? And you end up washing your mince meat, which is just washing off all the nutrients off of your meat, you know? Yeah, so we're going to be doing this, and you get the drill. I know you all know how to do this. Most people have an idea. Maybe some, you know, it does inspire them to do them own little burger at home. So we catch you at the Jamaican Mukbang and Vlogs. And thanks for watching. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support right across our 4 channels. And we'll catch you again with another video or on another live. And by the way, I just want to say for the previous video, Kimmy, I must commend you, because I actually was mixing up quiche with crepes.
Really?
Yeah, I was thinking this quiche I was saying, I was mixing, because I know about crepes. And I said, wow. Then when I realized now, I said, wow, quiche is something different. No, quiche, a lot of people say it's more eggy. Yes, I did search. I did do a research, and it swims about a lot of egg. But I must commend you, because Kimmy said this was, she had to create this recipe when she was doing foods. Now that you say?
Yeah.
In class. So she did this one without the egg in the mixture, and it came out.
You use the milk.
Yeah, the milk with that cheese, and it came out perfect. So I must commend her. It was original. That was an original quiche. And the thing is, it came out just the same as others, with that thin layer there under the bottom of pastry, and the thing set in the middle and at the side there. So she will be perfect in that recipe with measurements and all of that. So you will get to, you know, get an opportunity to see how that goes. Okay, thanks for watching.